I love Ski Dubai.
Cheesecake Factory. Welcome back to episode 3 of our Dubai vlog. As you know, we stayed at Courtyard by Marriott in Al Barsha. It's very close to the Mall of Emirates, super convenient, and the breakfast was amazing. Our plan for the day: some shopping, great food, and a little snow fun at Ski Dubai. So come along, let's explore it together. First stop, the Cheesecake Factory. This was our first time visiting the Cheesecake Factory and it came highly recommended by Aruta's cousin Richa. The place had a warm vibe, the portions were massive, and every dish was bursting with flavor. And yes, the cheesecake totally lived up to the hype. You can actually dine here while watching the snowy views of Ski Dubai right through the glass. It's such a unique experience, enjoying a warm meal while watching people play in the snow. Chris, our server, gave us some great ideas to enjoy our lunch here. He was very friendly, attentive, and really made us feel welcome.
Welcome to the Cheesecake Factory, and my name is Chris, and I'll be taking care of you today. And I'd like to let you know we have our soup for the day. We have our baked potato soup and chicken tortilla soup. Also, we're just having our lunch special. It's served until 5 p.m. as well. And today we're featuring our salmon with lemon sauce. It's a pancered salmon with mushroom, capers, and lemon sauce. And it's served with this and mashed potatoes. It's really good. I suggest the spicy crispy chicken sandwich. It comes right in a burger bun. It has a fried chicken, cheese, and it comes with two style. You want it buffalo style or chipotle style? Buffalo style. It comes with french fries and salad on the side. You want it fries or salad? Fries. So buffalo chicken sandwich with fries.
They served their signature brown bread, a warm, slightly sweet multigrain baguette, soft on the inside and perfect with butter. We also ordered the Caribbean cooler, super refreshing and full of tropical flavors. For the mains, we shared the sesame ginger chicken, the crispy fried macaroni and cheese balls, and a juicy fried chicken burger with buffalo sauce. Bye.
Guys, I got the chicken burger, so let's try it.
The sesame ginger chicken, soy glazed chicken breast served with quinoa, sauteed snow peas, asparagus, mushrooms, onion, and garlic.
Amazing. I'm just drowning in the juices and amazing smoky flavor that it has, like a sizzler.
Wow,
It's delicious.
looks very tempting. It was packed with flavor and beautifully balanced. So good. Loved it. Next, the fried macaroni and cheese crispy golden cheese balls served over a rich and creamy marinara sauce. Comfort food at its best, and it was so satisfying. Cheesecake Factory. So I think you don't need a recommendation. Looking at this, anybody would directly dive into this. Mac and cheese, fried, meatballs, sauce. Who will not like it? Boom. Wow.
Wow, such a big bite. Didn't even do a dent to that burger.
Superb. Perfect. Absolutely wonderful. It's not KFC. It's not any other Zinger burger, but it's the Cheesecake Factory fried chicken burger, and this is a lot more juicier. And you should come and try this out.
Guys, I'm trying the best part of today, the Oreo Dream Cheesecake. Come on. Oh my god, it's heavenly. Amazing.
So do you think this is a must-try cheesecake factory?
100%.
Finally, we ended on a high note with the Oreo Dream Cheesecake. And trust me, this place truly lives up to its name. Rich, creamy, and absolutely fantastic. We thoroughly enjoyed our lunch and then stepped out for some shopping. Picked up chocolates, a few goodies, wandered around the mall, and finally it was time for our most awaited adventure, Ski Dubai.
Ski Dubai is just steps away from the Cheesecake Factory and you simply can't miss it. You can book your tickets online or right at the counter. Not getting into too many details, let's just take you inside.
I didn't expect
Yay! Ski Dubai!
I love it.
Aruta walked in with us. She wanted to explore the snow a bit herself. Ayansh was super excited to play and check out all the activities. So the two of us headed up for some more fun. I must say, this place really pulls in a crowd. So many fun activities and everything is well organized with proper queues. Ayansh and I got on the chairlift. It was a bit scary at first, but once we were up there, we started enjoying it. We could see so many youngsters going crazy with skiing. It was so much fun just watching them. Amazing experience. You should come and you should try this out. This is fantastic. We continued this ride. We'll be taking around and then we'll be getting down at the same point where we started. So wonderful experience. Superb. Dubai. We love Dubai. So we explored Ski Dubai, enjoyed the snow and did all the activities we wanted. As a little memory to treasure, we took a picture inside and got it framed. Such a perfect way to lock in the moment. And that's how our fun-filled day came to an end. Shopping, great food and snowy adventures all in one. Hope you enjoyed watching this episode as much as we loved making it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Ash Says So for more exciting travel stories. तुमका सगळ्यांक देव बरें करो.